What if I told you that you could build your own AI application without being a math genius or programming expert? With just basic knowledge of JavaScript or Python, you can do incredible things like chatbot, image generator, audio transcription, converting text to speech, and the best part is that you can interact with documents and automate tasks without getting stuck on complicated algorithms. But here's the problem. Many people don't know where to start, and they get lost in confusing tutorials, tangled documentation, and ended up thinking that this is only for experts. And that's why I want to talk about CoreGPT, a project that will give you a basic code and step-by-step guide so you can learn to integrate key ChatGPT functions into your own application. Works with React on the front end, and you can use Node.js with Express or Python with Fast API on the server, and available in 5 different languages. CoreGPT is a great starting point for any developer looking to get into the world of AI application. You can get it by visiting my website or clicking the link in the description. And if you want to see the guy in action, then you have to check out my video of how to create a chatbot with React and Node.js. For more tutorials, tips and tricks of how to develop your own AI application, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media.